Now that we've covered what the whiteboard challenge evaluates, let's look at the types of challenges you're most likely to face during interviews. Every company has its own variation, but they typically fall into four common formats. And understanding these formats helps you prepare your thinking framework in advance. So when you get that prompt, you know exactly how to structure your response. Let's walk through them one by one. The first one, and probably the most common, is a product design problem. You might get a prompt like design a better movie ticket booking experience for families. These are open ended challenges that test your end to end design thinking, from understanding user needs to arriving at a well reasoned solution concept. Interviewers want to see how you explore the problem space, how you identify pain points, define personas, ideate directions, and prioritize what matters most. It's not about jumping to UI screens, it's about showing your structured thinking journey from research to concept. If you can demonstrate clarity in framing the problem and creativity in proposing practical, user centered solutions, you'll stand out immediately. The next format is the Feature Enhancement Challenge. Here, instead of building something entirely new, you're asked to optimize or improve an existing feature. A common example might be improve the food ordering experience in airports for time pressed travelers. This type of challenge is more focused and requires a balance between innovation and consistency. You need to show that you can enhance functionality without breaking established user patterns or product constraints. Interviewers will observe how you evaluate trade offs. Can you introduce value without increasing complexity? Can you respect the product's existing design language while still improving the experience? This is where your ability to work within real world product systems truly shines. Next is service redesign, and this one is broader in scope. You might be asked something like optimize the hospital waiting room experience to reduce patient anxiety. Here, the challenge goes beyond screens. You're thinking about systems, touch points, and holistic experiences. That could include the digital interface, physical environment, signage, communication, and even human interactions. Interviewers are testing your system's thinking, how well you connect dots between digital and physical experiences, and how you create continuity and emotional comfort across the entire journey. Strong candidates use empathy mapping, service blueprints, and journey touchpoint analysis to show that they can think beyond the interface. And finally, there's the user flow exercise. A typical example might be sketch a checkout flow for a grocery delivery app that minimizes cart abandonment. This challenge is focused on interaction design, how you structure information, sequence steps, and optimize the user journey to reduce friction. Interviewers are watching for detailed flow logic, how clearly you map decisions, edge cases, and potential drop off points. Even your annotations matter here. How you label screens, transitions, or alternate paths shows your communication clarity. Think of this as a demonstration of your micro level problem solving, not just what happens on the screen, but why it happens that way. So these four formats, product design, feature enhancement, service redesign, and user flow exercises, cover most of what you'll encounter in real interview scenarios. Each one tests a different dimension of your design maturity, your breadth of thinking, your depth of reasoning, and your ability to adapt under constraints. The best way to prepare? Practice each type intentionally and treat every challenge as a chance to refine how you think, not just what you design.